How's it going, guys? I'm here to show you a side marker tint install on my 2016 Dodge Charger Hellcat. I got my products online from Luxe Auto Concepts. You get the film, you get a microfiber towel, you get a solution to clean the side markers, you get a squeegee, and they also give you a sticker. Another product you might need, or you will need, is a heat gun. To get started, you must clean the surface off very well to remove all dirt and any debris that's on the side marker tint, because once you place the tint on top, you will see any imperfections underneath. So here we go. Just rub it all in. Make sure to get the back side. As you can see, it's a little dirty. Maybe go ahead and spray it one more time. Just rub it down, making sure we get the back side. Just keep rubbing it down, and that should be it. So, as you can see, it comes with 5 tints, one for each side, so that's 4, and you get one extra one just to practice on. Here we are working on the driver side front, so we will go ahead and get the driver side front one, and we will be applying it. So all you gotta do is just peel it off and get a perfect fitting. Very, very simple. Anyone honestly could do it. You just want to cover up the orange. It takes time. Took me a while till I got it. They give you a squeegee, but I don't like using the squeegee. I think the hand is a lot easier to use, or your thumb or fingers, whatever you want to use. You just keep going back and forth, back and forth. Then you just take a heat gun. It's gonna be a little loud. And just heat the surface up. So heat in the middle. I like to start in the middle. Heat it in the middle first, and then just press the corners in the back. Keep doing that. Keep pushing it down, and the back. There we go. Keep pressing on it. Keep pressing on it. Things getting a little hot. Press on. Get the back of the side marker. And there you have it. That is a video of an install on side marker tints on a 2016 Dodge Charger Hellcat. It could work on any other Mopar vehicle. Comment if you have any questions. This product again is from Luxe Auto Concepts. It's roughly 25 bucks, and I highly recommend you get this product because I feel like the side markers on these cars are hideous, and putting this tint on makes it look 10 times better. Thank you for watching.